Well, EVGA, I've tried. This is the fourth combination of how those cards are in the system, and the problem is that we still have the same thing, which is let's restart it. C states are off. So, as you mentioned in your email, I have turned off C states. Yes, I was trying multiple times with different PCI configurations, and I think the problem is one, might be in how the drivers are loading right now, because you will see that the system will ask me if I want to run software. You see, it is asking me if I want to run EVGA Nahimic APIs version 32, and I'd say yes, but the EVGA new audio say it's wrong already. Okay, so why does this ask me? Why isn't it a system process? Like it's already there and you just use it because it doesn't need to ask anytime. That's the first problem. The second problem, which occurs to me, is that in control panel and device manager, you will see this EVGA new audio, and right there, if you take parameters, you cannot start this device. Okay, why? I don't know. The device is in the system, the device is powered on, the device is connected, everything is okay, but it cannot start it. Okay, maybe it's due to the driver. But what is this driver? Okay, what driver does he already uses? Why does this use USB audio too? Is it the thing that is causing the pop-up with unplug the device, disconnect the device? Because this many times was the situation when you had something connected to your USB and you wanted to get working after let's say installing the drivers. You were supposed to disconnect it. Yes, so USB audio 2 might be for you information that you made something very strange in your drivers, and now the system thinks this card for proper working has to be disconnected. But you cannot disconnect this card because this is PCI Express card, and the PCI Express devices shouldn't be disconnected during the work. Okay, so please, I will send you this video and I will also reply to your email, because okay, I've tried many different slots and I have turned off C states, as you can see. So there is no C states. Okay. So now what I want to ask you to do. Please check if you have older driver, and how does this older driver is telling the let's say the system how should it work. And the second thing is, maybe your device, okay, is in the system like this because you have made some changes or sent wrong information to Microsoft. Okay, I'm finishing this right now because I have to open the door. So yeah, USB 2, that's problem.